Morning at home. Jason, Jason, wake up. Come on, open your eyes. Good morning.
Good morning. What time is it?
It's already 7 o'clock. Look at the clock. It's 7 a.m.
Oh no, already? I'm so tired. I want to sleep more.
No, Jason, you must get up now. You don't have time to sleep.
Please, just 5 more minutes. Only 5 minutes.
No, if you sleep more, you will be late.
Late? Late for what?
Late for work, of course. Do you remember? You have work today.
Oh no, you're right. I forgot about work.
Yes, you forgot. That's why I'm waking you up. Now hurry, get out of bed.
Okay, I'm getting up now. Please don't shout.
I'm not shouting. I'm helping you. Sit up first.
All right. Wow, my head feels heavy. I'm still very sleepy.
Did you brush your teeth yet?
No, not yet. I can't even think. I'm still half asleep.
That's not good. Go to the bathroom now. Brush your teeth and wake up.
Okay. I'm going to the bathroom.
And don't forget to wash your face.
Yes. I will wash my face with cold water. Okay, I'm back. I feel a little better now.
Good. Do you want breakfast?
Yes, I do. I'm very hungry this morning.
I thought so. I made eggs and bread for you.
Really? That sounds great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Sit down and eat.
The eggs smell good. This is delicious.
Eat quickly. Your tea is getting cold.
Oh, you're right. Okay, I'll drink it now.
So, do you feel awake now?
A little bit, but not completely.
Why not?
I think I need coffee too. Coffee makes me feel strong and awake.
You already have tea.
I know, but coffee is different. Coffee gives me energy.
You are funny. You really love coffee.
Yes, I do. Coffee is my best friend in the morning.
Excuse me, I'm a little lost. Can you help me, please?
Of course. I can try. What seems to be the problem?
I'm trying to find a place, but my map app isn't working.
Oh, that happens sometimes. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the main public library.
The main public library? Ah, yes. The big one on Jefferson Street.
Yes, that's the one. Am I far from it?
No, not at all. You're actually quite close.
Oh, that's great to hear. I was worried I was very far.
No need to worry. It's an easy walk from here.
Wonderful. Can you please give me directions?
Sure, I'd be happy to help. Let me explain step by step.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Right now, we are standing on Park Avenue.
Okay, Park Avenue. I understand.
First, go straight down this street.
Go straight down Park Avenue.
Yes, exactly. Walk straight for 2 blocks.
2 blocks. All right.
Take your time and stay on the same side of the street.
Okay, I will.
After 2 blocks, you will see a big bank on the corner.
A big bank on the corner.
Yes, the bank is very easy to see.
All right. What do I do at the bank?
When you reach the bank, turn right.
Turn right at the bank.
That's right. Then walk 1 more block.
1 more block after I turn right.
Yes, keep walking straight.
Okay.
After that, you will see the library.
Will I see it easily?
Yes, you will. It's a big white building.
A big white building. That sounds easy to find.
It is. It has large windows and wide steps in front.
Oh, perfect. That helps a lot.
There is also a small park next to the library.
A park next to it? That sounds nice.
Yes, many people sit there and read books.
That sounds lovely. I like quiet places.
Then you will enjoy the library very much.
How long will it take to walk there?
About 10 minutes, maybe a little less.
That's not bad at all.
No, it's a short and pleasant walk.
Is it easy to cross the streets?
Yes, there are traffic lights and crosswalks.
Good. Thank you for telling me.
No problem. Just follow the directions and you'll be there.
Let me check if I understand everything.
Sure, go ahead.
I go straight on Park Avenue for 2 blocks.
Correct?
Then I turn right at the big bank.
Yes, exactly.
Then I walk one more block and look for a big white building.
That's it. You've got it.
Great! Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. I'm happy I could help.
I was feeling lost, but now I feel confident.
I'm glad to hear that.
I hope you have a great day.
Thank you. Enjoy the library.
I will. Thanks again.
Simple taxi conversation. Excuse me, taxi.
Hello, do you need a ride?
Yes, please. I need a taxi.
Great, where are you going?
I want to go to the train station.
The main train station.
Yes, the main one.
Okay, please get in.
Thank you.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Put it in the back, I'll help you.
Thanks a lot.
No problem. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Do you want air conditioning?
Yes, please. It's a little hot.
Okay, I'll turn it on.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Oh, good.
Are you going on a trip?
Yes, I'm going to another city.
Nice, for vacation?
Yes, vacation, and to visit my friends.
Do you like this city?
Yes, it is beautiful.
I'm happy to hear that.
Is the train station far?
Not too far, we're close now.
How much is the ride?
It's $20.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Can I have a receipt, please?
Sure, here is your receipt.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too.
Airport check-in. Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are you flying today?
I am flying to New York.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Do you have your ticket?
Yes, it's on my phone.
Great. Are you checking any bags?
Yes, one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Okay,
Good. Your bag is not too heavy.
that's good. I was worried.
Do you have anything dangerous inside?
No, only clothes and shoes.
Perfect. Do you want a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Sure. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Your gate is 32.
Gate 32. Okay.
Boarding starts at 10:30.
What time is the flight?
The flight is at 11:15.
All right.
Please go to security first.
What do I do there?
Take off your jacket, shoes, and belt.
Okay.
Put your phone and laptop in the tray.
Sure, I understand.
After security, follow the signs to gate 32.
Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions?
Yes. Where is the bathroom?
It's on the left after security.
Good morning, Mrs. Smith. Welcome to the breakfast area. Did you sleep well last night?
Good morning. Yes, thank you very much. I slept very well.
That's great to hear. I'm very happy you had a good night. Was your room comfortable?
Yes, it was very comfortable. The bed was nice and the room was quiet.
Perfect. That's exactly what we like to hear. Would you like to have breakfast now?
Yes, please. I'm very hungry this morning.
Of course, madam. May I have your room number, please?
Yes, my room number is 302.
Thank you very much. Just one moment, please. Yes, I see it here. Breakfast is included with your room.
Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Today, breakfast is a buffet.
A buffet? That sounds very nice. Where is it?
It's over there, next to the big windows on the right.
Ah, I see it now. The place looks bright and clean.
Yes, we like to keep the breakfast area bright in the morning. It helps people feel relaxed.
I agree. What food do you have today?
We have many things. We have toast, fresh croissants, cereal, cheese, and fresh fruit.
That sounds delicious. I really like croissants.
They are very popular. They are fresh from this morning.
Lovely. And what about drinks?
We have coffee, tea, orange juice, and hot chocolate.
Perfect. I would like coffee and orange juice, please.
Of course, you can help yourself. Everything is self-service.
Great. Can I take 2 croissants?
Yes, of course. Please take as much as you like.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. Would you like yogurt as well?
Yes, please. Do you have yogurt?
Yes, we do. We have plain yogurt and yogurt with fruit.
Wonderful. Where can I find it?
It's in the small fridge, next to the fruit section.
Great. Thank you for the information.
My pleasure. We also have eggs this morning.
Oh, really? What kind of eggs?
We have boiled eggs and scrambled eggs.
Nice. I think I'll try the scrambled eggs today.
Excellent choice. They are warm and freshly made.
That sounds perfect for breakfast.
Would you like some bread or toast with that?
Yes, I'll take one slice of toast, please.
Very good. The toaster is right there if you need it.
Thank you. Can I sit anywhere I want?
Yes, madam. All the tables are free right now.
Then I'll sit by the window. I like the morning light.
That's a great choice. The sun is shining today.
Yes, it's a beautiful morning.
I'm glad you like it. Please enjoy your breakfast and take your time.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're very welcome, Mrs. Smith. If you need anything, please let me know.
I will. Thank you again.
Enjoy your meal and have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Have a great day too.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course, no problem at all. What's the problem?
This washing machine doesn't work. I don't understand why.
Oh, I see. Which machine is it?
It's this one, number 6.
Okay, what did you do exactly?
Well, first I put my clothes inside the machine.
All right.
Then I added my soap. I closed the door and pushed the button. But nothing happened. It didn't start.
I understand. Did you put money in the machine?
Yes, I did. I put in a dollar bill.
Ah, okay. I see the problem now.
Really? What is it?
These washing machines don't take dollar bills.
Oh, they don't.
No, they don't. They only take quarters.
Quarters? Oh no, I don't have any coins with me.
Don't worry, that's very normal. Many people don't have coins.
Really? That's good to hear.
Yes, there is a change machine here in the laundromat.
A change machine?
Yes, it's on the wall over there, next to the door.
Oh, I see it now.
You can put your dollar bills into that machine.
And it gives me quarters.
Exactly, it gives you quarters back.
That's wonderful. I was worried.
No need to worry. Everyone has this problem the first time.
Thank you so much. How many quarters do I need?
You need 12 quarters for one wash.
12 quarters. Okay.
That's $3 in total.
All right, that makes sense.
After you put the quarters in, the machine will start right away.
Great. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're very welcome. Are you new to this neighborhood?
Yes, I am. I just moved here recently.
Oh, really? Where are you from?
I moved to Chicago from Mexico.
Welcome to Chicago.
Thank you. My name is Elena, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Elena. I'm Tom.
Nice to meet you too, Tom.
Is this your first time using a laundromat?
Yes, it is. Back home, I had a washing machine in my apartment.
Ah, I understand. Laundromats can feel confusing at first.
Yes, a little. But now I feel better.
Good. Once you know how it works, it's very easy.
I'm happy you were here to help me.
I'm glad I could help.
After I change the money, do I just press the button?
Yes. Put the quarters in, close the door, and choose the wash.
Okay, that sounds simple.
After that, you can relax and wait.
Perfect. I'll do that now.
If you need help with the dryer later, just ask.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind.
No problem at all. Using the laundromat is easy once you know how.
Yes, I see that now.
After you get the coins, it's a piece of cake.
I like that expression.
English has many funny expressions.
I'm learning English too, so this is good practice.
You're doing great already.
Thank you. That makes me happy.
All right, I'll let you get your coins now.
Thank you again for all your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your day.
You too. Have a great day.
On an airplane, passenger and flight attendant. Hello, welcome aboard. How are you today?
Hello, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you for asking. Is this your first time flying with us?
Yes, this is my first time.
That's great. If you need any help, please let me know.
Excuse me, can you help me find my seat?
Of course. May I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Your seat is 14B, just a few rows ahead on the left.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Would you like help with your bag?
Yes, please. It's a little heavy.
No problem. I'll place it in the overhead compartment for you.
Is this flight full today?
Yes, it's almost full, but it should be a comfortable flight.
How long is the flight?
It will take about 2 hours and 30 minutes.
That's not too long.
Exactly. It will go by quickly. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. What do you have?
We have water, juice, coffee, tea, and soda.
I would like water, please.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like something to eat later?
Yes, what food will be served?
We will serve chicken with rice or pasta with vegetables.
I'll take the chicken, please. Excuse me, is Wi-Fi available on this flight?
Yes, Wi-Fi is available, but it is not free.
I see. How much does it cost?
It costs $10 for the entire flight.
Okay, thank you for the information. Excuse me, my seat is a little cold.
I'm sorry about that. Would you like a blanket?
Yes, that would be great.
Here you go. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you for your kindness.
It's my pleasure. We will be landing in about 20 minutes.
Thank you for letting me know.
Please fasten your seatbelt and return your seat to the upright position.
Okay, I understand.
Thank you for flying with us today. Have a nice trip.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.